I make a very great distinction between living and existing. And because I had a very rich life, I cannot satisfy myself with only existing.
2 Montrealers with degenerative diseases are suffering from severe and persistent pain. They are not eligible for medically assisted suicide, and they're taking their case to Quebec Superior Court, hoping access to Quebec and Canada's doctor-assisted dying laws can be improved. 73-year-old Nicole Gladu had a brilliant career until the effects of her illness, post-polio syndrome, became so severe she can barely function on a daily basis.
Well, the main thing is, Gap, I'm getting out of breath. I mean, I already described my situation like I have to stop walking like a dog has to stop, you know, along his way, doing his morning and evening promenade. It's always small things, like putting on and putting off your boots. For me, it's a big thing. Washing yourself.
Only people who face imminent death are eligible under the euthanasia law. Gladu's request for assisted dying was refused because she's not close to a natural death. Lawyer Jean-Pierre Ménard says changes must be made and federal and provincial laws should be based on a person suffering.
We asked the court to declare unconstitutional the provision in the federal law and in the provincial law that forbid the medically dying because the people while they are suffering a lot are not dying.
Now Gladu is asking the court to put an end to her suffering.
Compare myself, not to other people, to myself 1.5 years ago. I can hardly recognize myself. I lost a lot of energy. I have only half a lung functional, and right now is the crisis for lodging everything in my belly. So my situation is well. I think you can understand why I can envisage to put a stop to my life.
In Montreal, Aimée Lemieux, City News.